How many pairs you say you got, bro?
Like 160. So like 160 something. 157. Last time I counted like 162. I ain't counting.
You got something you ain't wore yet?
Yeah.
A lot of them?
Yeah. Probably about 10 to 15% I ain't wore yet. Most of it, I try to wear it though, cause it's like shit. Ain't no point in buying that shit when you wear it.
Yeah. Hell yeah, that's pretty dope, yeah.
Yeah.
Got a room just for the kids. I'm sure it's gonna damn stack up even higher too.
Yeah.
So today, we got a little something different for y'all. It's a day in the life of a sneaker seller. It's one of my good friends, James. Grew up together. Got him a nice little business selling Jordans and foam posits and whatever, you know, hard to get sneakers that you can find. So we're gonna ride along with him and see what a typical day goes like on a big release. Big homie.
What it do, KJ? What's going on, man?
Hey, tell everybody, tell the people what your IG and the way to get a hold of you.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? Mine,
bruh. Old lady pretty happy.
Oh, my bad, she lit. Yeah, I'm bad, bro. But yeah, mine is at the FreakSneaks. It's my Instagram. My Facebook is James Dowdy FreakSneaks. You type in either one and it'll pop up. And that's the logo, that's the brand. You can't, if I was speaking a little too fast, there you go.
No. So tell us what we got in store today. What we finna get into?
Well, today, man, I'm about to take y'all into one of the busiest releases of the year, the Air Jordan Retro 5, the infamous one. He dropped 69 points in, and when he played the Celtics in the playoffs. If you've been watching the Last Dance documentary, we about to go pick him up. It's gonna be a busy day, but had a smooth transaction. Had an ace in the hole come through for me, so it's gonna be smooth. You know, we're gonna take y'all behind the scenes. We can't show y'all the magic, but we'll show y'all, you know, how we stir the pot up.
10-4. All right, let's get it cracking.
Let's get it, brother. I don't like taking too many orders because, you know, that's like the worst thing I hate doing is telling somebody I ain't got their shoe and I got to get their money back. I hate that shit. So I try to stay, you know, within my means and what I know I can get. Yeah. Some people just don't realize, like, they just think, like, honestly think that I make the shoes, but I'm like, don't wait till the day of when everybody pretty much is, you know, got their pairs. Just go ahead and hit and pay a little extra. Because if you're willing to pay the extra the day of, why not pay it the day before and save yourself all that mental, you know, hassle.
You got a few people that hit you on every release.
Yeah. I got some consistent ones. Every release, I know they gonna hit you. And then, you know, a lot of people too, they'll just try to, which I don't knock this at all. They'll try to wait to see if they won their raffle. Then not, they'll try to come, but they kind of, you know, you kind of giving yourself a limited window because shit, everybody get their shoes from the same place. Don't nobody got no, you know, executive exclusive plug. They just go to, you know, we all out here fighting like everybody else. So yeah, I try to do that to save everybody the house and save me the house because on the day of, I already got 15 orders. I can't really take no more, no less because, you know, I'm already trying to think about how I'm gonna meet everybody, you know, with all the little ripping around the people I got with me, I got to pay them, and it'll be a lot, but you know, it's all worth it at the end of the day. You get to do something you like, it don't really feel like work, it's just more like strategy, keep everybody happy.
So today you say you got damn near about 15, 15 pairs.
I could have probably had, if I could have took every person that hit me, I could have probably got close to 30, but I just didn't have that many pairs. This is probably like the biggest release of the year. Yeah. One of the, not the biggest, but so far of the day, this will be the biggest release of the year. Yeah. Just because all the corona shit going on, like, stores open, it's probably like, right now, probably like, it might, everybody usually open, it's already a zoo when everybody's open. Finish Line, Foot Locker, Hibbit, Champs, JD Sports, everything, when it's open, it's already a zoo. But now it's like, I don't even know, some malls aren't even open, and then not all the shoe stores are open, so they're just making it a little more limited.
It's just the first big release while all this corona shit been going on?
Yeah, because everything
got pushed back a little bit or something.
Pushing it back, they kept trying to push it back. They been had them, but I seen people posting them like, yeah, these dropping in 2 weeks, but it just, the corona started pushing it back. Like today, our Foot Locker isn't open. Right. So that means kids Foot Locker and regular Foot Locker. So that's two of the main spots. We only got That's the only one we got in Athens, 2 Foot Locker kids and big Foot Locker. So like that's take away a lot of shoes. Get Foot Locker, they'll get at least close to 100 pair of kids. Foot Locker get close to like 50 pair, 50 to 60 pair. So hello, what's going on? What's up, Brody? What's going on with you? Shit, I should be back, bro, around about 2 o'clock. I'm just finishing everything up now. I should be back right around about 2 o'clock. And we probably can meet at we can meet at the same spot where I met y'all at, or you know, if you need me to come a little bit closer, I can. Okay, for sure. Well, just send me your number, bro. Like text me your number so I can call you straight on your line.
And then somebody trying to schedule their pickup?
Yeah, just somebody trying to schedule their pickup. I'm running a little behind schedule because usually I had to go out there and actually, you know, right when it started.
Go store to store and all that.
Yeah, but I had a little nice little blessing come this way, so I ain't had to do all that this time. But you know, we still gotta go make a few rounds. But, and then get everybody dropped off. Just try to give everybody a little window. Give me a comfortable time to move around so I don't have to be rushing. And try to give everybody one somewhat central location to pick up, but you know, everybody might, you know, it might be at work, it might have me to drop them off with a family member or something, but you know, it's about that time where everybody want to start getting dressed, you know, everybody want to put them on the day they come out. So, to make it happen, a few seconds for everybody.
We pulling up to a little location. We got the helpers in tow. Need people to carry these shoes. We'll get back with y'all in a second. We ain't gonna film the secret location. We'll be back. So we got first half of the orders. Gotta go back, get the rest. That was a pretty smooth transaction.
Yeah. Smooth,
1 hour later.
I'm just now, I'm almost done picking up everything. I'm just waiting on the last little bit of the people to finish up so I can get done picking them up. Give me like, by 2 I should be ready. I should be ready by 2. Where you gonna be around that time? You still gonna be at Athens? Oh, nah. I'm gonna be with you within the next hour. Yeah, I'll be with you within the next hour. It won't be no more than that. I'm just, like I said, it'd be too much back and forth for me if I had to pick them up and start dropping them off and then go back and pick up more. I just try to get everything round up at one time, then get dispersing everybody. Okay, yeah, I got you though. Like I said, I should be with you within the next 30 minutes. By 2 o'clock, that's when I had got everybody scheduled to start dropping everything off. But yeah, you'll have them in your hands more definitely by the day. I got you. All right, for sure. First time clients, they just be a little nervous. They don't spend their money, so I guess you know.
Damn. Yeah, understandable.
Ooh, that sucks.
Bro, just get gully, bro. Go and get gully right there, bro. Just bust that left and go.
That's how we do it.
Yes, sir. From the streets.
Life.
Yes, sir.
Kids don't try this at home.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. We finna die. We finna die. Oh, shit. Hey, don't try that shit at home, man. Shit get dangerous out here.
Yes, sir.
Almost
so that was the first. That's the first time paid his full deposit and everything. He looking for the gear, ain't it?
He ready to get right, man. He ready to get right.
Hey, that's understandable.
It show you how crazy people, man. Everybody know how it is. He live out of town. He live in Winder, but even if he had to go back home, if he wanted me to, I could bring him to him. It wouldn't be no big deal. I just try to get everybody wrapped up. I don't live in Athens no more myself, so I'm trying to get everybody to meet everybody in Athens, so that way everybody be happy. Man, we out here taking a little break, man. Coronavirus, you gotta be safe. Only a certain amount of people be allowed in a certain location at the time, so we just out here enjoying this beautiful Georgia weather, man. I got my
introduce your partner right here.
It was one of my main mans right here, man. He running a little late, man. She'll start about 3 or 4 hours ago, man.
Oh hell.
Boy Frank,
man. This shit essential out here for these J's, but these folks gotta have them, man.
Yeah, man.
Every day,
man. This is a big release day, man. So we just out here, man.
Tell me some of the craziest shit you done seen with FreakSneaks.
Oh, what? Man. We don't really have too many problems, man. We plug, man. Everywhere we go, they show hello.
That time we had to wait. We had to wait in line.
Yeah, we waited in line, but we get what we need, though.
Yeah. That's how I like to rock everything. Be smooth, man. You know.
What's the longest trip though? You got up, you left the house, had to round up all your kicks. How long that shit take? Longest
now. We done been at it about 12 hours one day.
Yeah.
And you might get up about 8 or 9, and you don't get back home to 8 or 9.
That's delivering and everything.
That's double trip to Atlanta. That's delivering. That's stopping to get something to eat. You know, we had the kids with us on the Fridays and Saturdays, so you know we trying to show them how to make some money, how to have a good business. But yeah, it get teaching, but the day ain't too bad. Mainly we got started late, so everybody been kind of hit my phone. They ready to get right because it's a pretty day outside. They want to go and suit up, and I get that. But I don't like to work myself double time, so I'm just holding tight so I get all my orders and I can go ahead and start boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you need them early, I get with you, but try to give me a little time. But you know, we just out here, man, enjoying the beautiful day, man. Racetrack, man, got them things, man. need that sponsor, man.
So how much do these fucking shoes cost, like retail?
Retail, they $216 a day. It varies. Sometimes you have them, they $220. $220, that's $236 retail after tax, but $200, that's $216 retail. They $190, they gonna be $203 retail with tax. So these gonna be $216. I'm selling them for $300. Factor in my time, the delivery, a guarantee, or all that. I gotta pay my people. Y'all see, I got a whole team with me, so everybody gotta eat. So you know, that's how we doing it today. Last little bit, last truckload. So you know. In and out
but we need an SUV, boy.
Yeah, time to upgrade now. Nissan ain't gonna do it no more. Time to upgrade. Ain't even get them in.
Watch that box right there. You don't want goddamn no damaged product.
All
right.
Let me get y'all shit.
Woo! I feel like you ought to just have your set spot and that's it. Yeah. You know, if Ingle's gonna be your spot, then that's your spot.
It all comes with the territory. I just wish people would just give me a little bit more time, especially when, you know, today like today, you really can't move around like you used to, but
yeah,
we're gonna get it done though.
You know, put a little swag in them or something like that in the box.
I'm gonna give everybody a keychain for, you know, for shopping with them. And my price was a little higher than it usually had to be, but you know, you gotta pay to play, so I appreciate everybody that came through, so I'm gonna show everybody, you know, try to give everybody a little token of my appreciation.
Yeah.
Coming through. Yeah, sir. That's it right there, buddy.
Hard day's work, ain't it?
Hard day at work.
There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I got a little gift pack I'm giving everybody, man. Of course, the FreakSneaks bling.
Oh, yeah.
I'm dropping off
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Special keychain in there for you. Keep everything nice and tight.
We ain't even show these motherfuckers what the hell they look like.
I ain't even, my farmers ain't had none. I just been having the regular ones I usually have.
You said these the ones already.
Yeah, locked and loaded. Yes, sir.
Load.
Load up these birds, get them out.
Look behind mine here.
You pick any one, you want them 12 you want, Doc?
You pick the freshest one.
Oh shit.
That's it. So out, man. We loaded up, man. I'm about to go grab me a bottle of water. We about to get out this bitch, man. In and out. You pre-order with FreakSneaks. This what happen. You get your shit, no house. All these are happy customers. I just see these like smiling faces back here. This one on right here.
What's happening?
Boy, drink out here.
You been shopping with the FreakSneaks for a while?
Gotta shop with my
You
boy,
already
man.
know where I got
It's the
you,
homie
right?
team.
You already know how we doing. Right in tight. Let me take this car right quick.
Oh boy, them something is fresh, boy.
Yeah, like I say, bro, I can show you every week, but I don't think, you know, we fine, because I get them all.
Yes, sir. Got mine.
Hey,
Get yours.
take it easy, bro.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Yeah, for sure, no 100%. What size you got? Size 6? Okay. Okay, bro. Yeah. Only reason I don't. If you, here you go. I'm not put you a keychain.
Thank you.
No problem. Give me a shout out when you can. Got my boy money here.
Oh, he
you
got
know,
a
he had to
2-pack.
double down and go and get a 2-pack. Them things.
How long you been shopping with the Freak Sneak?
Hey,
Since
day one. Day
follow
one.
drive, baby.
For day follow drive. Follow drive. For real. For real. Appreciate it, brother. You be safe, big dog.
Yeah, man.
Come on,
Got my boy Gangsta Samir, right?
know.
You already know.
Yeah.
69 in this thing. 169 Weddy.
Ooh. Tell the people why you shop with Freak Sneak.
Man, FreakSneaks, bad quality, ain't no bullshit. Your money right, your product right. That's something.
Anything else, you lacking. Anything else, you lacking.
Get what you pay for, baby.